Hello everyone, welcome to Let Us Learn. Today we will learn about quadrilaterals and its classification. This is a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is a closed figure made up of four line segments. It has four angles. This is a square. A square is a quadrilateral. It has four equal sides. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. Two equal diagonals which bisect each other at 90 degree and four equal angles. Each angle measures 90 degree. This is a rhombus. A rhombus has all four sides equal. Its opposite sides are parallel and equal. Its opposite angles are also equal. And diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at 90 degree. This shape is a rectangle. A rectangle has opposite sides parallel and equal. You can see single lines and double lines which are representing opposite sides are equal. Each angle of a rectangle is 90 degree and diagonals of a rectangle bisect each other. This shape is a parallelogram. We can name it ABCD, a parallelogram. A parallelogram has four sides. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. You can see single lines and double lines which are representing the opposite sides are equal. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal and the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. This shape is a trapezium. It has four sides. A trapezium has one pair of opposite sides parallel. The parallel sides are called bases and the non-parallel sides are called legs or lateral sides. It has four angles. We can name it PQRS is a trapezium. If a trapezium has non-parallel sides equal, then it is an isosceles trapezium. This is a kite. A kite has two pairs of consecutive sides equal in length. Single lines are representing the equal sides and double lines are also representing the equal sides of the kite. Now let us see the classification of quadrilateral. A quadrilateral can be written in three types. First is parallelogram. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. A trapezium, which has one pair of opposite side parallel. Sometimes a parallelogram is also called a trapezium with two pairs of opposite sides parallel. This is a kite. In this, two pairs of consecutive sides are equal. A parallelogram can be classified as a rectangle and rhombus. A rectangle is a parallelogram which has opposite sides equal and parallel, each angle 90 degree. A rhombus is also a parallelogram with all four sides equal and opposite sides are parallel. If all the sides of a rectangle are equal, then it becomes a square. Just like a rectangle, a square also has all the angles equal and each angle is 90 degree. A square has all the properties of rhombus, but one more extra property that each angle is 90 degree in a square. This is the view of the classification of the quadrilaterals. Now let us see the relations between the quadrilaterals from bottom to top. A square has all the properties of a rectangle and a square has all the properties of a rhombus. So we can say a square is a rectangle and a square is also a rhombus. Rhombus is not a square because each angle is not 90 degree. Similarly, the rectangle is also not a square because all sides are not equal in a rectangle. A rhombus is a parallelogram because it has all the properties of a parallelogram. Rectangle is also a parallelogram because it also has all the properties of a parallelogram. So, we can say a square, a rectangle and a rhombus, they all are parallelograms. This is the image of all the quadrilaterals and the classification. Thanks for watching and enjoy learning. Like, share and subscribe the channel. Let's learn.